Nice sound. Follow them on IG and support the music. Now it's time for the Intense 5. Let's see what happened that not really about you know what. Did JPS really do that? How comes? And during the press conference, it's a good thing or PM is a good sport.
And yet another artist feud. Vibes never got easy at all when he was talking about the man himself. What's that about?
WhatsApp is extending group calls to 8 people. That's gonna be noisy. Well, maybe it's gonna be like Zoom.
So we can't let you hear what's being said, but big up the soldiers in this video. Even though you clearly hear the frustration, they really never go on bad at all. People just stay inside now.
And finally holding the spot this week. Jamaicans in foreign can soon come to them yard. Well, they will be quarantined, but still, how it's gonna be done will be decided by cabinet. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. We are still looking out for your videos on what you do during quarantine, so send them to tvjintense@gmail.com, and of course follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.